Hello and welcome to our webinar on the JFYNetWorks AIMS model. I'm Greg Cunningham, a learning specialist at JFYNetWorks, and I'm happy to share how our approach helps students build the academic skills they need for college and career success. The elements of the JFYNet blended learning model are summarized in the acronym AIMS: Assess, Instruct, Measure, Support. AIMS incorporates the four basic elements of effective teaching and learning. Here's our Executive Director, Gary Kaplan.
JFYNetWorks has been in the education business for 50 years. Our mission has always been to help young people develop the knowledge and skills needed for long-term career success and social mobility. Our programs have utilized various strategies over the years. We are now incorporating artificial intelligence, the next wave of innovation, into our AIMS methodology. The new digital tools enable teachers to differentiate instruction to the individual needs and learning styles of every student. This capability makes our AIMS methodology doubly effective in reaching the goal of college and career readiness for every student. The following presentations will make it clear how AIMS can work for all students.
Assessment is an important first step as part of our AIMS process. Here's Kathy, a JFYNetWorks learning specialist, to explain how it works.
The A in AIMS stands for assessments. The two most important assessments a student takes are the diagnostic tests given at the beginning of the school year. Students take a diagnostic in math and in English. The English diagnostic is set by the reading comprehension program that JFY uses. The students will take a 30-question assessment where they read an article and select an answer from the list of multiple choice options. This assessment sets the student's baseline Lexile level. This Lexile level is a measurement of the student's reading comprehension ability. This level is important because the program JFY uses will deliver articles for the student to read at their Lexile level. As students continue to read articles and answer questions on those articles during the school year, the Lexile level is adjusted monthly. The students also take this level set at the middle of the school year to determine Lexile growth. JFY reports monthly to teachers on their reading program progress with a monthly report giving the total of time they've used the program, their average score on the article activities, and their Lexile level at the end of each month. In math, the students take a diagnostic comprised of previous year's grade level standards. JFY has determined the standards to be tested by looking at what standards are given on the MCAS exams. Students will answer these questions in the math program that JFY uses. After students have completed this assessment, JFY collects and analyzes the data. JFY will put together a color-coded spreadsheet on students' responses to the questions. The information on this spreadsheet is helpful to determine which standards the students need more practice and in some cases more instruction on. Students need to be proficient in these standards so that they will be able to grasp and understand and move forward with the current grade level math material. JFY also produces a monthly math report of students' participation in the math program that JFY uses. This report will give the teacher the information on how much time they've spent on the program, their average score on the tasks or assignments the students have done. The monthly report also lets teachers know the number of assignments students have completed, the score, the average score on these assignments, as well as the amount of time they've spent answering questions in the math program. Students also take assessments throughout the school year. JFY monitors these assessments and helps teachers identify which areas the students may need more help and more practice in. It helps the teachers set and plan their curriculum to meet the students' needs. JFY is always available to help teachers with this work, to create assignments and help them plan their curriculum.
Once we have assessment data, we move to instruction. This is where the real learning happens. JFYNetWorks uses a blended learning approach that combines teacher guidance with adaptive online resources. We meet the students where they are to ensure they don't feel overwhelmed by material they have not yet learned. Personalized learning means every student gets the instruction they need at their own pace. Whether a student needs to build foundational skills or push ahead to more advanced concepts, our instructional tools adapt to meet their needs. We work with classroom teachers, and having teachers involved is essential to student success. One of the biggest benefits? Teachers don't have to guess what each student needs. They have real data to guide their instruction. Once instruction begins, it is important to track and measure student progress along the way. Eileen, another JFYNetWorks learning specialist, focuses on the measurement aspect of AIMS.
Teaching isn't a one-and-done process. It requires ongoing measurement. In our program, student performance is continuously tracked to ensure they are on the right path. These embedded formative assessments help teachers measure student growth. With regular progress checks and real-time dashboards, teachers can quickly identify students who may need additional support. These timely interventions ensure that no student falls behind. Our data-driven approach not only helps students stay on track, but it also provides educators with the insights they need to refine their teaching strategies for maximum impact. Along with this, we have developed AI teacher assistant tools to facilitate timely, actionable feedback for students in both writing and writing multi-step math problems.
Teachers are not expected to implement this program on their own. JFYNetWorks provides support all along the way, as Joan, also a learning specialist, explained.
At JFYNetWorks, we don't expect teachers to implement the program on their own. The program starts with an initial training session led by a JFY learning specialist so that teachers can navigate the software with confidence. Our training session also covers discussion of program goals, integration between online work and class curriculum, and assignment focus. We stay in close contact with teachers throughout the year, offering ongoing professional development and coaching tailored to school needs. JFYNetWorks provides ongoing professional development so that educators have the tools and strategies to implement AIMS effectively. We also offer direct student support, helping learners stay motivated and engaged. Collaboration between teachers, students, administrators, and learning specialists leads to stronger outcomes. Learning specialists are always just a message or phone call away. The heart of the system is the constant communication and teacher involvement. The more JFY work is integrated into the class, especially when it contributes to a student grade, the more engaged students become. Learning specialists are here to help with varied teacher needs, including assignment creation, program directions, reporting, and suggestions for continued academic success. The communication helps build teacher-JFY specialist relationships. Teachers who are invested in the program become stronger partners and are better equipped to guide student progress. By building a strong support system around the program, we help ensure long-term success for students, teachers, and schools.
We've told you all about AIMS, and here's why you should consider it. Schools that use AIMS see their student performance results improve. Take a look at these graphs. They show how AIMS methodology helps JFY partner schools raise their student growth percentiles above their peer schools and above the state. You can look at the whole report on our website, jfynet.org, or better yet, sign up for a consultation and explore how JFYNet can design an AIMS application customized to your school's needs. You can find out more information about scheduling a consultation at our website, jfynet.org, which also features links to helpful resources, case studies, teacher and student success stories, and more information about our programs. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to working with you to improve your students' success.